Hey you. You've probably heard that birds escape wintertime by migrating to warmer places. Some die in the journey, some make it to the very end. Also, some of them don't even go away. My story is somewhat similar, but still a bit different. I migrated to Germany when I was 21, but in my case, I flew from a warm country to a cold one. I remember my parents accompanying me to the airport and begging me not to leave them. It was really hard to see their eyes filled with fear of losing someone very important. But I wanted to be a bird. I wanted to go away, see different things, experience life, be free. What I didn't know back then is that immigration feels like walking down icy stairs. Do you know the feeling? You need to walk down very, very carefully while holding on the handrails for support, because if you lose the stability, you will slip and you might fall severely. After living here almost 15 years, I can finally release my hands without falling. I don't need to wake up at 3 a.m. anymore and rush to the immigration center with the fear of getting kicked out of the country. I cried so many times on this bridge because I was dragging my half-asleep body to reach the building and queue endlessly in the dark outside in the cold. I envy you birds, because you don't have visa problems. I'm walking around in the park today and I'm wondering, can I call this place my home? Place where I feel invisible, but also sometimes very visible when it comes to my accent. Place where almost no one is able to pronounce my surname without breaking their tongue. What is this reality I got myself into? It feels so black and white, cold, distant, impossible to nest and hold on. You know, some of the birds return home to breed, and others just stay in the places they migrated for the rest of their lives. I'll be wondering, which type of a bird am I actually? The one that goes back home, or the one that stays in a different land and creates home out of it?